for the monkey forest, for jalan in the sala, or whatever. I have done it all. I once go to Vietnam. It is cheaper than Bali.
And also Cambodia is good, yeah?
And beautiful.
Oh, really?
Just like
In Vietnam?
Yeah, the nature, right? My granddaughter is the bowl is there.
Mhm.
2 months Thailand, 2 months. And this is Thailand is for young people or more, and you can go out and so. But Vietnam is for nature, so
Oh, yeah?
because we don't know, we only think of Vietnam is war, dulu,
Yeah.
yeah. You know, we don't, but it's not good. And cheap, and the food is out. Food is out.
It's not like in Indonesia, the food, huh?
No,
It's different.
No, different. Yeah, a little bit French, but you know, if you're you must always try. Where you are, in which country,
Mhm.
you have to try. But I must say, I don't like English food. The taste, English food, you only use salt and pepper.
Yes,
Yeah,
that's right.
Is niet lekker, hè?
Mhm. Also, Australian food is too much salt and pepper.
Yeah, the Australian food is not too much meat.
Yeah.
Only meat, yeah.
Yeah, that's why so many fat people. So many fat people from Australia.
Yeah, have you seen the woman?
Yeah, fat.
14 years or so, and a man. Oh my God. They don't care about the body, and that's no good. And if they are older, they have here, right, there, they cannot walk, and then they have to go to the hospital, they have to pay bills for medicine. I've seen them walking in the streets and they, oh my gosh, you think you are very old, it's not. We are still in the mountains, it's still raining.
Yes. Still raining here.